This is the world's longest pier. It's about a mile long. We're going to try to walk it instead of taking the train. It's so long that they actually have a train to take you to the end. So let's see how long it takes. Time check. It is 3 o'clock right now, so we're gonna walk it and see if we can walk to the end and then come back. Sorry about the wind. It's always windy around the coast. It's very family friendly beach around here. It's not very deep, very shallow all the way in. Looks like people haven't even gotten to their knees today. Even all the way in there.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am, waking up. Here I am, waking up. Here I am, waking up. Here I am, waking up.
We made it to the end of the pier. It took about 25-30 minutes. So not too long. We stopped lots of times to take videos and stuff. You can imagine being on a cruise ship, standing at the end of the pier.